What definitely stood out about UNI's biology department was getting to see people having all their undergraduate research experiences, and they were working directly with the professors and not grad students. I've been working in Dr. Jeremy Jackson's lab for about 3.5 years. My inspiration for wanting to work in healthcare is I definitely just want to be able to give back to my community in a meaningful way. And I think being an access point for people, being an effective science communicator and talking to them about their health problems is a way that I can do that. My future goals after graduating with a biology degree from UNI are to attend medical school, so either an MD or an MD-PhD combined program. Something that the professors really focus on here at UNI is real-world applications to what we're learning, whether that be in a lab course or also reading primary research articles that are being put out right now in order to prepare for what it's like to be an academic.
When it comes to a future as a physician, as a dentist, as pretty much anything healthcare related, UNI Biology is a great place to get your start. You're prepared really well, and we can send you off on your way after you get admitted because you'll be very prepared for entrance exams. You'll be very prepared for content in your preclinical stages. And if it's healthcare, you can go anywhere with a UNI Biology degree.
My favorite thing about being a biology major is definitely just getting to learn alongside my best friends every day. With the small class sizes, I always know someone in my classes, and I've met my best friends in my biology courses.